Hello friends, today I want to tell you how you can trade with a forex like Euro USD, USD CAD, Nasdaq and Euro JPY, BTC USD, XUSD and many more pairs. If you have not enough capital, then you can go with these companies which are going to share profit with you and you can make profit and companies will also make profit if you make profit with them. So, first of all, I want to tell you which companies is best you can go with to gain capital and trade with that capital if you have not enough capital. So, first of all, I want to tell you these companies which I am going to tell you in future I am and which companies I am going to tell you right now is very trusted company. Lots of traders in the world are trading with these companies and they are making a huge number of profit with the bigger account sizes if they buy with these pro firm. First of all, in the world is very trusted company is 5% here. Like this, you can go in my description section and click the link and go with this company. If you are going to buy a account with this company, you can make huge number of profit share with this company. Right now, you can get 80% profit with this company. This is the portal of this company page like here. I am registered with this company and this is my registered profile section. And here are funding programs like bootcamp, hypergrowth, high stake and stock trading. If you want to go to a hypergrowth program, you can click here and go with this section. Hypergrowth program, one step program. And here are some details here. And if you go to high step program, then you have industry standard uh, account with here. Here are five accounts 5K, 10K, 20K, 60K, and 100K. 100K account you can buy with $545 and you can make 80% to 100% with this account. Like that, if you buy 100K account, you can start with here. Like 100K, if you make 10% gain, then 80% profit share with you and 20% with company. And then you can scale up your account and your account will be now 120K. And if you make 10K, then you can again make 80% profit share and company will make 20% share. Like that here, if you go to multiple payouts and your account will be scaling out here and you can make 500K account with scale up and then you can make 100% profit share and 10,000 fixed payout every month. So if you have not enough capital, then you can best to go with these accounts types. Like you can first, if you want to make enough money, then you can go with 100K account and you can make this payment and you can get and credentials with this prof form. So if you get credentials means password and account ID, then you can paste this account. First of all, you're going to download the platform of 5% years. And if you download the 5% years account, then you can fill the credentials here like that. This is a different broker, but the login and entry is same. You can open login to trade account and you can fill your credentials here, which is provided by 5%. You can have live login ID and you can password and the server ID and then you can log in your portal and you log in your portal. Then first of all go to terminal section and you can here show the balance. What is the balance? And if you show the balance, then you if you buy 10K account, then there is 10K. If you buy 100K, then there is 100K account, and you can minimize that. And if you want to trade with different markets, then you can go to view section and market watch page and here you can say multiple and whole the markets types which you want to choose to trade. There are multiple forex pairs, equity pairs and bitcoin pairs also. So you can, if you want to trade with euro USD, then you can scroll, tap and scroll here and open this. There is open a chart of Euro USD, and you can trade with, and you if you have a 100K account, then you can trade with 0.05 to 0.001 lot. You can write here by numeric keys or any keys which are numbers, and put the number here which your lot size you take lot size, write lot size here, and you can trade now. And if you want to see the chart as going to buy, then you can buy and set a stop loss here and take profit here as your risk and reward ratio. So there is full analysis of this prop firm. This prop firm is very trusted, 5% years, and you first go with my description, which I am sharing you the link. You can go with that link and go to and buy an account with this prop firm. This platform is very trusted, and you can make a huge number of profit anywhere in the world. In multiple countries, there is profit share, there is leverage ratio 1 is to 100, and 30 consequence today. There are specifications which you can going to remember when you are going to trade with this Profirm account capital. So thank you very much, friends, and you are very profitable. I am going to say you all the best if you are going to buy and trade with this Profirm. Thank you.